Hello, I'm in a 2003 Toyota 4Runner, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your gas tank. So from the driver's side here, we'll have to go down, and there's a little release here that'll open that cover for you. So we pull that. Make sure this cable is attached if you're having issues. But now that we pulled that, we'll see that this was popped, in which case we can now open it. And this is where that safety was released when I pulled that lever. It was hooked onto here. Make sure nothing's bent out of place or broken once you get this open. It's sticking a little bit, so might need a little grease in here if needed. Make sure this works right. But once you have it open, you can just unscrew this, and then it'll pop right off. And then here you just fill from your the gas pump or your gas can as needed. Make sure you're using the proper type of gas for your model, but something like this. For this model, I'd probably use like a 87 grade, regular unleaded, something like that. And when you're done, just screw this back on until it pops so it's tight. And when you're done with this, just push this closed again and then it's locked in place. But I hope that's helpful. You have a good day.